Hello, everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to explore the world of artificial intelligence? At J2K AI Academy, we are here to help you gain the skills you need to succeed in this exciting field. Artificial intelligence is changing the future, and now you can also experience it. Our free trial webinar is designed to provide you with a sneak peek of learning AI through master sessions and live insights. And here's what you get when you join our free trial AI webinar. Live webinar attendance. Join a live, actual AI session taught by one of our veteran instructors. Live QA. Have your questions answered in real time. Exclusive learning resources. Receive sample material from our paid AI courses. Community experience. Network with other AI enthusiasts. Hands-on insights. See practical techniques that you can implement immediately. Course sneak peek. Get an exclusive sneak peek of our entire AI learning paths. But don't take our word for it. Check out what our students have to say. The free webinar was absolutely brilliant. I learned more during that single session than I had in weeks of trying to learn myself, Sheikh said. Trainer was superb and deconstructed the complex points into bite-sized pieces in a very straightforward way. Would highly recommend being a part of this academy. Bhagat Chatterjee. Once you've completed the trial, you can begin your AI journey using our full courses. Here's what you will get as a J2K AI Academy student: full AI courses and learning paths, certifications to showcase your skill and boost your career, personalized mentorship and guidance by AI professionals, access to an active community of AI professionals. AI is no longer just the future, it's the present. From AI-driven marketing strategies to self-learning chatbots and automation in various sectors, artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide. We ensure our students stay ahead of the curve by offering industry-relevant AI education, fostering multidisciplinary research, and promoting responsible AI practices. Our programs are designed to provide hands-on training, flexible learning options, and career advancement opportunities. At J2K AI Academy, we offer a comprehensive range of courses designed to cater to all levels of learners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your skills in areas like machine learning, deep learning, or natural language processing, our programs are tailored to fit your needs. Our featured courses: postgraduate diploma program in artificial intelligence, an extensive program covering advanced AI topics. Diploma program in artificial intelligence, a comprehensive course focusing on core AI principles and applications. Professional certificate course of artificial intelligence for beginners, ideal for those new to AI, covering fundamental concepts and techniques. Professional certificate course of artificial intelligence for advanced, designed for individuals with prior AI knowledge, delving into complex topics and applications. Flexible learning paths. Choose from a variety of courses that allow you to learn at your own pace. Visit our website at www.j2k.com to explore our full range of courses. From foundational knowledge to specialized skills, we've got